Hey there, fellow investors and market enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of stock picks and market insights with Mike Vinokur, a portfolio manager and senior wealth advisor at Propellus Wealth Partners, i.e. Private Wealth. Vinokur's focus is on North American large caps, and he's got some intriguing choices for us to explore. But before we dive into his top picks, let's set the stage and understand the broader market context. The equity markets have been on a roller coaster ride since March, with a meaningful recovery following a period of volatility. Despite the challenges posed by ongoing conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East, as well as tariff disputes and the absence of a CUSMA extension, the market has shown resilience. Corporate earnings have remained strong, and broad market indices have absorbed these headwinds, indicating underlying strength. One interesting development is the shift in market leadership. The Magnificent Seven, a group of top-performing stocks, have underperformed expectations, while small and mid-cap equities, along with financials, healthcare, and industrials, are attracting significant capital inflows. This dynamic suggests a broadening of market participation, which is a positive sign. As we head into August, seasonality comes into play. Historically, this month has been associated with periods of consolidation or corrective activity. With the current earnings season drawing to a close, a near-term pullback cannot be ruled out. However, Vinokur and his team believe that if such a pullback occurs, it will likely be shallow and short-lived. Despite these potential short-term fluctuations, Vinokur's base case remains constructive. He believes we're still in a bull market, and historically, sustained bull markets don't peak without broad-based euphoria. The degree of skepticism among investors suggests that we haven't reached that euphoric threshold yet, indicating that the path of least resistance is still upward. Now, let's dive into Vinokur's top picks for August 2026 and explore why he believes these stocks offer attractive opportunities. Uber Technologies Incorporated, Uber NYSE. Vinokur sees Uber as more than just a transportation company. He views it as a platform tech company connecting riders and drivers. With over 50 million monthly paying Uber One users, the company is generating significant revenue growth. Uber's revenues are growing at approximately 20% per year, but Vinokur believes earnings can accelerate much faster with cost savings from headcount reduction and synergies from the Delivery Hero acquisition. What makes this really interesting is that Uber's current forward earnings estimate for 2028 is quite conservative, according to Vinokur. He believes the stock is undervalued, offering a large margin of safety. Rithm Capital Corporation, Rithm NYSE. Rithm Capital is not your typical mortgage REIT. The CEO has built a diverse powerhouse, with interests in mortgage origination and servicing, credit, asset management, and property management. The company recently reported a book value of $12.33, yet it trades at a 25% discount. Additionally, Rithm Capital pays a $1 dividend, resulting in a 10% dividend yield at the current price. Vinokur believes that over the next few years, RITM will be able to increase earnings to $2.50, and the stock should be re-rated to a much higher multiple and premium to book value. In the meantime, he's happy to collect a sustainable 10% dividend. Talen Energy Corporation, Talen NASD. Talen Energy is an independent power producer based in Houston, Texas, with a unique restructuring story. The company produces approximately 13.1 gigawatts of power and has a pending acquisition of Cornerstone, which will add another 2 gigawatts of natural gas-fired power. Talen Energy has guided towards generating FCF of $36 per share in 2027 and $41 in 2028. Vinokur believes the stock is undervalued based on these projected FCF figures and offers a high margin of safety. He expects power demand to grow at a faster pace in the coming years compared to historical averages, which could increase margins and make current company projections conservative. While Talen Energy doesn't pay a dividend, it has been aggressively returning capital through share buybacks. Now, let's take a step back and think about the bigger picture. Vinokur's top picks showcase his belief in the potential of platform tech companies, diversified REITs, and independent power producers. He sees value in these sectors, and his analysis highlights the importance of understanding the underlying business models and growth prospects. In my opinion, Vinokur's approach to stock selection is thoughtful and well-researched. He considers not only the current market conditions, but also the broader trends and potential future developments. By focusing on companies with strong fundamentals and unique value propositions, he aims to provide his clients with attractive investment opportunities. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a reflective takeaway. Investing is a journey, and it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing market dynamics. Vinokur's top picks for August 2026 offer a glimpse into his investment strategy and the factors he considers when making his selections. Remember, successful investing often requires a combination of research, analysis, and a bit of personal insight. I hope this exploration of Vinokur's top picks has been insightful and engaging. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and happy investing.